I am Jerome Emmanuel F. Ravelo. For my Science Second Performance Output, I have a video on sieving the mixture of sand and pebbles. For the mixture, I went to our backyard with my pet dogs and got some sand and pebbles. After getting enough mixture, I got another container and a strainer. I put on the mixture in the strainer and started sieving. The sieving process separated the sands and pebbles. The sand fell into the container while the pebbles remained in the strainer. This is now the separated sand and pebbles. I am also presenting a video on filtration process using coffee. For this, we will be needing hot water, a mixing container, ground coffee, and pour over coffee with filter paper. First, put on spoonfuls of coffee in the mixing container. Note that the coffee is not the instant kind. Pour on the hot water in the container and mix it with coffee. I used spoon in mixing. Then pour on the mixture of ground coffee and hot water in the filter paper. We will be noticing the brewed coffee dripping while the coffee grounds sit in the filter paper. Anyone who will be drinking the coffee will not taste the coarseness of the grounds because of the filtering or filtration process. And let's drink to that. Thanks for watching!